Hey vlog, guess what we're doing today? We are going hiking and I've already packed the bag. I can kind of show you guys what I packed in here before I put my hiking shirt on. I have 4 oranges for all of us, and then I have some trail mix. I have some sweet snacks, her grapes, and my turkey bites. And then I had a banana for breakfast, but I think I'm gonna eat some jello for breakfast too. We also have our water bottles. This is my brand new water bottle, so cute. And yeah, I already put on some sunscreen, but I'm bringing sunscreen with us just in case I want to put more on, and she also has to put some on. Oh, also, where's my hat? You can use mine, it's on the bed. Also, we have matching hats. I gotta turn this off. Also, we have matching hats. I don't really know where mine is. This is hers, but it's so cute, and I cannot wait to take a picture in it. I really don't. Oh, I do know where mine is. Here is the hat. So yeah, we have matching hats. They have the earth on them and they say go outside. So cute. And then I also got this graphic tee from Five Below yesterday, right? That's when we went? Yep. Yeah, so we are all ready to go, finally. I edited a YouTube video. I got that up for you guys. So that took a little while, but other than that, I think we're pretty much ready to go. I also filmed some TikToks, so if you want to see more behind the scenes that you didn't get to see this morning, like me getting ready, me packing my bag and everything, then slide to my TikTok. It's linked down below. And yeah.
Hi vlog, it's Courtney. I was watching a TikTok and I about cried because he's giving her a little proposal. Anna's pumping gas and she instructed me to update the vlog. And if I look like a greasy mess, it's because I am. We're going out in the sun and I need moisturizer. Anna's dancing now. Maybe I should lock the door so I don't get kidnapped. But that's all. I'm excited. Peace out. Goodbye.
Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
We're here. Yeah, I can connect it. Oh gosh, I'm tired already. How was the drive?
I almost fell asleep. But that's to be expected because I always fall asleep when I get in the car.
Yeah. Well, we're here. A little break.
So
and the views are pretty.
It's hot. I have a lot of video clips.
Yeah. And so if you're missing stuff, be sure to follow us on TikTok. LOL. Here's her hat. Like I said, we're matchers. Here's mine.
Here, go ahead. No, I meant connected when you
Oh, 1 second. Hey, so we made it and we stopped at the visitor center.
potty break.
Yeah, potty break, and also just to get some air first. And then we also got a map and he told us exactly where we would go for the trails. But the bridge that we wanted to take a picture on is right up here, which is perfect because that means picture first and then sweating second. So, so right now we're walking just to the bridge and we're gonna go take some cute pictures, especially with our hats. So cute.
Shit, you cold, bro. What you do?
And now we're going down these steps that we don't actually have to go down.
And then we come back up.
And then we come back up. He says 178 steps.
And then 178 back. In San Francisco, Anna, did you forget that I did this exact same thing? But the steps weren't like this. They were just straight down. Just straight.
Well,
down
that sounds scary.
Yeah, I know. It was. I thought I was going to trip over my feet, but I didn't. And nope. Just
I will
steps
say the
way.
views out here are really pretty.
Immaculate.
I would have never, fun fact, I would have never come out here.
She came for me.
Yeah, this is all for her because she's visiting me. I would have never. But it is pretty.
And look at that view. You have to admit, it's gorgeous.
Ah, it's so pretty out here. Views are immaculate.
People are doing a tour.
Yeah, people are doing a tour. Wait, yeah, you can see it. They were doing a tour on the bridge and they like have ropes on them so that, you know, if they fall, obviously. But she said it's like 70, how much did she say?
$70.
And now Courtney wants to do it. But wow.
I thought she was going to say 170.
Okay, we got to the very bottom. Now we're going all the way back up, but the views
We're immaculate.
so pretty. So pretty. The camera actually does not do it justice, which it never does.
It never does.
But it's so pretty. And now we are going to drive to the trail that we're going to. He says it's about a mile out. Yeah, that's how long the trail is, but the drive to the trail is about 2 miles. So And I'm breathing so hard because I'm going back up the stairs. So it's getting real. We're using a map to get around. Using a map to get to our Google Maps.
And by the way, yes, I'm sweating. We just walked out of the car and back. Okay, that's a lie, but you know, we were out there for a little bit. Not too long, but like still.
Yeah.
It's
and then he said turn right.
85. Is this Langston Road? We're going to Fayetteville Station.
I don't know. He said turn right, and then we're gonna turn down Lansing Edmond Road.
Look at all this little.
Look at all the greenery.
Yeah, that's good.
The air just smells fresh up here.
Look how narrow this road is. Oh, baby, where are we going? To the ditch?
No, this is normal for West Virginia. We found it! It wasn't even hard. Actually, his directions were very clear, and so is this map. I can see how the old people got around. Now we can, now we're gonna get out and do this trail. It's 1.5 miles or 2 miles.
Yeah.
And then there and then back. So hopefully this is overlooking something awesome because, oh yeah, he said we could see the bridge, but this is where we're going. This is where we're coming from. This is where we're going. This is where we just came from. Check, check, check.
We're doing the easy to moderate, so 2.4 miles.
2.4 miles. Endless Wall Trail. I think this is supposed to be the peaceful, serene part of the trail. Yeah, I could do a time lapse, but this is kind of fun too. Also, vloggy vlog, I took off that t-shirt. It was way too hot.
Whoa.
So
It's rare that you see this. This is the opening.
not even lie. It's actually soaked, like wet mud in some areas. And I'm trying so hard to avoid those, and also so hard not to slip in my white sports bra.
We are wearing literally probably the worst shoes ever. Has the thong at the bottom.
We're wearing running shoes.
Yeah.
Not hiking shoes. Steps now. Look at all this water we're trying to avoid. I think there might be a waterfall somewhere over there, but I'm not quite sure. He said this is actually the easiest trail. One of the easiest trails? Yeah, it's easy to moderate. Ah! Oh gosh. Moderate? Yes. Yeah, we also just saw people, so that makes us feel like we're on the right track.
They don't have a lot of signage out here.
They don't have a lot of signage, but
Like, that was like
the trail is kind of like obviously set. There are some side trails though.
But we've been walking for 0.7 miles.
Oh my gosh.
And that was the first.
0.7 miles down. A little bit harder to navigate this one. Oh, I'm still trying not to touch like the trees and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, we might just have to. Ew.
You okay?
Yeah.
Keep walking. Look, there's a snake.
Branches, the poisonous branches and stuff. What?
The snake that was on the ground?
No!
Anna, I said keep walking and walk over the snake.
Oh my gosh.
We're not wearing the right shoes.
No, that's fine.
At least there's
Wow.
sand, so
Wow. I'm kind of scared to go any further.
yeah, please don't go any further. We don't have ropes or anything.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I'm very careful. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I know you guys just saw that butterfly fly by, period. But look at all those cliffs. Like, this is a cliff in itself, but like, look at those
so it's
cliffs.
very dangerous if we get close.
Look at those cliffs. Wow. And people actually stand out there and take pictures. We actually just took a picture out here too. But it's pretty. Very, very pretty.
She touched pine tree, which pine trees have sap.
Fun fact, it's nasty as crap. Ew. And hand sanitizer. We've been hand sanitizing like crazy.
We have. Wow, this view is gorgeous.
It's so pretty. And we're finally leaving after a billion photos of the views and of each other and together. We're finally leaving. But it's so pretty. Our hats are so cute. I'm so here for the hats. They're so cute.
We gotta go. Like,
Yeah, we're leaving. Let's go.
No, I like.
Oh. How far are we into this 2.4 mile walk?
Try not to touch the plant. We are 1 mile in.
1 mile in, so 1.4 miles left to go. Yeah, she saw a snake and I didn't see it, but she claims she just...
Step over the snake.
Yeah, she said step over the snake and I'm just walking. And she goes,
Anna, did you see the snake? I heard you still talking.
but she claims she just saw another one and I didn't see that one either.
No, that one's a lizard.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say I didn't see that one either. Diamond Point Overlook is what where we're going right now. That's what we're looking for.
This looks the most traveled. What in the world? People are making all these different trails.
Yeah. But not us though. We stay on the main trail. Wow.
Can you imagine someone sitting on that? Oh gosh, you know?
I want to see it. Oh, there's not really much to see. It's pretty though. You guys, this camera is really not doing it justice, but the waterfall is literally gorgeous. And I think she's gonna take a picture.
Guys,
This is giving Jungle Book vibes.
if she had her phone, she could show you, but I refuse to get any closer to her because I want both of us to be safe. They even have a rope over there for dummies like us.
Yeah, there's a rope right there for anyone who wants to look over.
Let me see. Here you go.
Look at how low this far down this goes. Wow, you can't even see the bottom. That actually wasn't even that scary.
You
And
were
actually
afraid.
there's a better way over here for us to see exactly what we just saw. So pretty, dude. I refuse to walk on those rocks right there. I'll stay on this one. But that one just looks like it could collapse at any second, any moment, but it's so pretty. Wow, that's steep. I'm going this side. So we're not putting weight down on the same side. Hey peeps, I didn't realize we were at the top. This is on top of the mountain. And now we're gonna film some TikToks, obviously. Obviously. We love a fit queen. We love a queen who knows how to work out, period. Who gets her exercise in by any means necessary. Okay, now we're going to sit here and enjoy our snacks and the views. Oh goodness, I'm so glad we packed snacks.
Yeah, me too. The sun is coming out.
Yeah. There is someone right there, right?
I checked. I don't see anyone. Please be careful.
I will.
It's literally a cliff. Anna?
Yeah, it is someone right there. Right there. Yeah, he's
he
on
walk
another
on there?
ledge. I don't know, but definitely someone down there. And snacks. I have oranges. So he actually is rock climbing, I think, because it sounds like he's getting closer.
I'm not going to be too curious enough to look.
Yeah, no.
I'll wait till yeah, I can reach it that way.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Do it that way.
Yeah, he's definitely gonna come around here eventually. But now we are done eating our snacks, drinking our water, and we can go back and finish this, what's left, 1.2 miles?
Yep.
Yep, and now we're going back to the car. Oh goodness, I probably should have walked that way.
Turn back around. Was there a fuck for you too?
Honestly, this is one of my favorite parts of the trail. This is so pretty. How much further do we have? We're at 1.7 right now? And we have to get the
2.4.
We have to get 2.4. We're at 1.7 right now. All right.
You can't tell me nothing. Star made the beat and I just took it.
I'm done. We're out here. Don't. Sorry if I sound too excited. But oh my goodness, we just finished. And I'm so happy. Woo, woo, woo. I'm happy because it's such an accomplishment, you know? Another pit stop because we spotted a waterfall. It is so loud, I don't even know if you can hear me. So pretty. And there's a kid stuck up there. Courtney's gonna lead him down. He's stuck, and now she's going up there to get stuck to lead him down. You can tell who's the teacher here. We're home, and I'm so tired, Loki.
For a nap.
I am so tired, but I'm actually going to end this vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye, guys.